Hey everyone, it's Dr. Jess. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about oxidation-reduction reactions. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any new uploaded videos. Okay, let's get started. What are oxidation, reduction, or redox reactions? In a redox reaction, electrons are transferred from one substance to another. So one substance loses electrons and one substance will gain electrons. The substance that loses electrons is oxidized and the substance that gained electron is reduced. So let's look at an example to see how that works. So let's look at the reaction below. So on the reactant side, let's look at zinc. So we see that zinc has a charge of 0 on the reactant side, and then in the product side, it has a charge of +2, so +2 charge. So what happened here? Did zinc gain or lose electrons? So an easy way to figure this out, think of zero charge as an equal amount of positive and negative charge. So equal amount of positive and negative charge, they cancel each other out, so net charge is 0. So how do you go from that to a charge of +2, right? So for that to happen, you would have to lose some negative charge. So you would lose electrons to have a positive charge, a +2 charge. So that means zinc here lost 2 electrons. Okay, so typically in a reaction, an oxidation reaction, the lost electron is written on the right hand side, in the product side. So now let's look at copper. Copper, in the reactant side, copper ion has a +2, so +2 charge. And then on the right hand side, in the product side, it has a charge of 0. So what happens here? Did it gain or lose electron? Let's look at it again. So you go from a +2 charge to 0. So how would that happen? You would have to gain 2 electrons. Electrons are negative charge. So +2 charge, you gain some electrons, so 2 electrons, and then now you're left with a net charge of 0. So copper ion here gained 2 electrons. So again, the substance that gained electron, as we mentioned before, is reduced. So here in this redox reaction, zinc is oxidized because it lost 2 electrons, and copper ion is reduced because it gained 2 electrons. So as I mentioned, the lost electron is usually written on the right hand side, in the product side, and then the gain electron is usually represented in the left on the left hand side, in the reactant side. So zinc lost 2 electrons, copper ion gained 2 electrons. So that's your redox reaction. Let's determine if the following reaction is an oxidation or reduction reaction. So magnesium ion on the left hand side has a +2 charge, and in the product side has a charge of 0. So what happened here? So magnesium ion gained 2 electrons to then have the net charge of 0. So that means it's a reduction reaction because magnesium gained 2 electrons. Let's look at this next example. So iron has a charge of 0 in the on the reactant side, and then in the product side has a charge of +3. So what happened here? That means it lost 3 electrons. So then that means it is an oxidation reaction. Is the reaction below an oxidation or is it a reduction reaction? Let me know your answer in the comments below. That's it for today. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!